Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make an easy paper Monstera plant. You can find the materials and the pattern link in the description box. In this pattern, you can find two variations of the plant and they come in three different sizes. Cut the pattern and try to cut as close as you can to the edge of the print to completely remove the white paper. I made a mistake when I didn't cut it close, so at the end I was having these ugly white patches on the edges of the leaves. So again, cut as close as you can. Here are the cutouts, and if you look closely, you will see the white patches on the corners of the leaves. So try avoiding that mistake. Next, paint the back green. Don't worry if it is not nicely painted, it won't be noticeable once you arrange the leaves. Next, take a small round dowel or anything that is cylindrical and use this to curl the edge of the leaves. If you are done curling the leaves, we are going to prepare the wire or the floral wire that we are going to use as a stem. Cut a few centimeters of the floral wire and make a loop using a round nose pliers. Add glue to the loop and stick it at the back of the leaf. For the pot, I will be using this clay pot that I got from a terrarium plants, which is a good size for a 1/12 scale. Then you can add a styrofoam so you can easily hold the leaves in place. And before permanently gluing the styrofoam, you can paint it with black acrylic paint or any of your choice that will match the soil that you will be using. Then glue the styrofoam in place and start arranging the leaves. To arrange the leaves, make sure that the height of the stems are different from each other. To make the arrangement realistic, try to look for a picture preference of a real plant. And lastly, this is only optional. You can cover the foam with pebbles or soil and add some decorative moss. That's it, a very easy miniature paper monstera plant. Thank you for watching this tutorial and enjoy your new project and have fun. Bye bye and see you next time.